Alright, so I just got my first ever fight stick. I don't know if you can hear this. But I am very excited to, you know, play it. I've never played Ryu before, so I thought, why not try Ryu while trying out my new fight stick online? Grind some ranked, see how far I can get in a day. Hopefully I get to like platinum or something. But yeah, I just wanted to do this, so here we go. Yeah, I'm master on Terry, so I'm probably gonna get placed in some lobbies that, some matches that I can't really beat, but whatever. Alright. Terry. Hello. Wait. Hello, smile. Hello. What rank is this guy? I didn't even see. Oh, platinum, okay. I'm literally looking at my stick because I don't know, like I can't remember where my hands are placed at any given time. Okay, I'm gonna start throwing fireballs. Oh shit. Nice. Nice. Alright. Oh, crack shoot? Really? That's how we're playing this? Oh, shit. I'm gonna DI this guy. No! You can't do this to me. What? Fuck you, bro. No way. Come on, let's go again. No! Why the fuck do you know any of these combos, bro? I'm a master Terry. You do not need to know any of this shit right now. You're in platinum, bro. Oh wait, I know the problem. I haven't been donkey kicking. I'm gonna just DI. Oh, come on. Oh, that's... What? Wait, what? How the fuck did it do that move? I did not press anything like that. I'm not pressing DI, bro, I swear. Really? I'm just gonna throw a loop at you. Gotcha. How am I winning this? What the fuck? What is happening? Perfect parry? Really? You got those? Oh, shit. Gotcha. I'm doing really good. I don't know what's happening. Like, I understand it's fireball spam, but it's really not, bro. Like, this guy's near platinum. You don't know how to get around fireballs, bro. Maybe I was just on another level than you when I was your age, bro, but I just don't understand. It wasn't this, like, fireballs aren't this, like I could just, you know, just block them. Bro, what the fuck? Why is he tanking so many of these? Damn. Nice. Okay, I need to start doing other moves. I can't just keep spamming this shit. Oh, what? That's dumb. I can't believe that didn't... We're gonna go. Frick off. I've played these games before. I know how Terry players think, alright? I am a Terry player. You cannot do this to me. Fuck. Okay. Hadouken. What the fuck? Okay. GG's, bro. GG's. I mean, yeah. Interesting. I don't know why he would jump there, but whatever. What is happening with my hand? Why does it hurt? Zangief? This is good. Smile. Dungeon. Okay, I guess, never mind. I was trying to DI. Okay, how can we lock in? Okay, not by jumping. No, okay. Oh, I don't like the way he jiggled his muscles. Hadouken! What? Almighty, I know, bro. Shit. Oh. What the fuck? How did he do that? Why can Zangief do that? Oh, stop it. Wake up level 1? Oh shit. I gotta back up because I don't want him to get close to me. No. Fuck. That's so... God damn it. Okay. That was... Bro, it's so hard to... What the fuck? I don't think he knows how the game works. Because, like, you can't do that, bro. I don't know what that was about. That's the wrong button. That's not what I was trying to do a level 3. Oh, fuck. Punish counter. Oh my god, did so much. No. There we go. Oh, shit. That was tricky, bro. How do I press it right? I like this thing. This fight stick is cool. It's fucking lit, bro. I don't really want to ever go back to the other thing. What the fuck is happening, bro? Okay, that's the thing about fight stick. Is it kind of... You're feeling like you're playing the game for the first time again. So, you're just kind of... Oh. I was trying to do a wake-up. Doing wake-up supers is hard. Doing supers in general is hard. Like, I don't... It does feel like I'm at the arcade trying to learn this shit, because it's hard. It's really hard, and it feels like it's kind of jank. Oh my god, bruh. Oh my fucking... I hate this character, bro. Wait. Ah. You can. That's so much damage on a Zangief. Jesus Christ, for you is not balanced. Did I win? Oh! That was tough. That was cool. No. Almighty. Oh, come on. You can't be doing this to me. Shh. It's time to get it. I should have known. That's pretty funny. I'm like trying to punish. He just goes, it's time to get serious. Like, Jesus Christ, jump scare, bro. What'll do. Superman, by the way, go fucking watch that movie. Just watch it, dude. It was so awesome. You're not getting no points today. Why the fuck did that? I'm not kidding. There's tears in my eyes right now. Why did me doing that voice suddenly make my eyes all like teary? What is happening? Why does my hand hurt? Why am I getting teary-eyed from doing a funny voice? Oh, shit. Shit, shit, shit. Okay, you could have killed me there, but whatever. Yeah, that's fair. He panics. He panics, so I just don't do anything, and it's easy. It's easy, it's easy, it's easy. Jump in on me, bro. I'm ready now. Okay, stop doing that shit, though. Woohoo! Gotcha! Sure you can! Man, Ryu's so cool. I understand why people play him. What'd I get? Diamond? What the fuck? Why did I get diamond?